CCNA IT network providing formats, live projects, hands-on labs, online, in-class, and corporate training. Checkpoint Firewall is an enterprise firewall solution known for its strong centralized management, advanced threat prevention, VPN services, and robust policy enforcement for large organizations. FortiGate Firewall is a cost-effective next-generation firewall with unified threat management features such as antivirus, web filtering, VPN, SD-WAN, and intrusion prevention. Windows Server is Microsoft's server operating system that provides enterprise services like Active Directory for identity management, DNS, DHCP, file and print services, IIS for web hosting, and Hyper-V for virtualization. Linux Server is an open-source server operating system. Popular distros include Ubuntu, Red Hat, and CentOS. Widely used for web hosting, cloud platforms, DevOps, database servers, and security-focused applications. Build skills, build future. With CCNA IT Network. Contact us for more details.